Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today I'm gonna tell you about O-neck crop top. O-neck crop top is a type of short top that has a neckline in the shape of the letter O. It's a trendy and stylish piece of clothing that typically ends above the waist, showing a bit of midriff. It's a popular choice for a fashionable and casual look. O-neck crop top is a stylish top with a round neckline that sits above the bust and usually ends above the waist, leaving the midriff exposed. It's a trendy choice for a chic and casual outfit, perfect for pairing with high-waisted bottoms like jeans or skirts. It's a versatile piece that can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.